In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best soldering stations available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the soldering stations mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, AIFEN A9 Plus Soldering Station. The AIFEN A9 Plus is a precision soldering station crafted for electronics enthusiasts and DIY professionals. With its impressive 120W power and compatibility with 210, 115, 245, and 470 tips, it supports a wide range of soldering needs. Its precise temperature control ensures optimal performance, while its versatile design doubles as a rework station. This premium station, originally priced at $250 is now available for just $101 a smart investment for serious tinkerers and repair pros. Number 4, BAKON BK602S Soldering Rework Station. The BAKON BK602S combines a soldering iron and a hot air gun into a powerful 2-in-1 tool, perfect for cell phone repair experts. Featuring a large HD LCD screen, ESD-safe design, and high heating efficiency, this unit ensures safe and speedy operation. Its compact, user-friendly design allows for precision work on delicate components. Currently available at $91.32, down from $100.94, it's a practical, budget-friendly solution for electronics repair professionals. Number 3, YIHUA 982 Precision Soldering Station. The YIHUA 982 is a multifunctional soldering station ideal for those seeking efficiency and convenience. It heats up in just 2 seconds and includes integrated storage for tips, solder wire, and cleaning tools. Its universal voltage compatibility, 110V, 240V, makes it suitable for international use. With 4 memory presets, you can switch between projects easily. Now offered at a major discount, $56.85, originally $136.03, this station is a great deal for any serious hobbyist or technician. Number 2, SUGON A9 Intelligent Soldering Station. The SUGON A9 is engineered for electronics enthusiasts and pros who demand high accuracy. With intelligent features like automatic sleep mode, a high-end PID temperature control program, and advanced calibration via the S191 temperature calibrator, this station ensures consistent performance. It's compatible with various tips like I, IS, and K for all types of soldering jobs. Originally $185, it's now available for only $69.37, a fantastic deal for precision tools. Number 1, RF4 1000W Digital Hot Air Rework Station. The RF4 Hot Air Rework Station stands out with its 1000W power, digital display, and BGA rework capabilities, making it ideal for PCB chip repair. Its dual voltage support, 110V/220V, ensures global compatibility, while CE certification guarantees safety. The intelligent heat control system maintains optimal temperatures for complex tasks. This premium tool, originally $187.92, is now just $87.20, an excellent choice for professionals in electronics rework and repair.